The IKOL website generator allows businesses to create complete websites tailored to their needs. While our AI handles most of the work, you might still want to fine-tune the details. This tutorial will guide you step by step through the process of customizing your site to match your brand perfectly. After creating an account or logging in, you will be directed to the Home panel. Website customization is the first step in the Getting Started guide. Click here or go to Website Settings by clicking this icon on the sidebar. Here's your website's preview, useful to quickly see the changes. To visit a live website, click the link at the top of the viewport. Here you can test the interactive elements. Go back to the editor. You can check how your website looks on desktop and mobile. To quickly copy your website's link, click here. Go to General Info. You can change your company name and the business type name. To set a custom business type, click Show Advanced Options and type a new text. Choose the type of CTA or call to action button that is the most useful for your business. You can set the button to open a booking system. Let's save it and go to our website to check what it looks like. Reload the website to see the changes. When clicking the CTA, a client is prompted to choose a service and a time slot from the Quick Booking pop-up window. Go back to General Info settings. Let's check the Contact CTA. A click on the button opens a contact form. Back to the General Info settings. Let's pick the Call CTA. You can set your contact phone number here or in the contact settings. Click on the button reveals the phone number. On mobile devices, the second click dials the phone number, while on desktop, it opens a phone app. More CTA customization options are available in the Layout tab. Go to Layout. Here you can choose a layout that fits your business type best. For our tutoring business, we'll go with the business card layout. Let's customize the Call to Action title. To choose another type of call to action, go to the General Info tab. Pick the color theme for buttons and accents on your website. You can disable or enable website animations. Some layouts have animated elements. Let's refresh the website to see it. After disabling the animations and refreshing the website, they are no longer visible. Here you can make changes to your header. Choose an avatar header, a logo, or go no image. Let's go back to the avatar header. You can leave the default avatar unchanged or upload your picture. Click Change Background to set another image. Filter the predefined backgrounds or upload your banner. The file can't be larger than 10 megabytes, and we recommend choosing a picture at least 1,920 pixels wide. Save or reset the changes. Then go to Services. Here you can enable or disable if the services are visible on your website. Choose if you want to display prices with or without tax. Choose a display variant for your services. Check which variant works best for your offer. Let's save the booking variant for our tutoring business. Below, you can quickly add, edit, or delete services. Drag the services to change their order. Click the pen icon to edit a service. You can also delete the service. To add new services and categories, click here, or go to the Services and Products tab. Return to the Website tab and click Products. You can enable or disable the Products section. Choose if the prices should include tax. Click Add New Product. You can set everything from scratch, or use example products as placeholders or as templates to edit. Scroll the list or start typing to find an example product. Choose or add a category for your product. You can upload another image, edit the description, or change the price. Let's add a few more example products. Now let's choose a display variant. The ideal display variant for your business depends on the industry, the number of products, and your preferences. For more settings, go to the Products and Product Categories tabs. From the Website tab, go to About. Enable the section. Add a header and a description. The About section is important for building credibility, so it's worth your attention. Consider adding some keywords for better search engine positioning of your website. You can also add highlighted information in the Important Note bracket. To make this section more interesting, we can give it a background. Filter the predefined backgrounds to find a suitable picture, or upload your file. The file can't be larger than 10 megabytes, and we recommend choosing a photo at least 1,920 pixels wide. Reset or save the changes. Let's go to News. Enable the section. Click Add New Article. Enter the title, a short description, and the news content. You can add images to make the announcement more eye-catching. Click More Settings. Here, you can change the URL address of the article. Add keywords for better search results for your website. Choose a publish date. If you want your article only to be visible for some time, set the expiry date. Then save the article. Go to Map. Enable the section to display it on your website. Below, you can change the company address. Let's enable the Show Operation Area switch. There are several operation area settings to choose from. Define the operation area by selecting areas from the drop-down list. You can also set your operation area using a radius distance from the headquarters. Save changes to see the results. If you provide your services at the company's location, choose the Headquarters Only option. You can also define the operation area by listing the zip codes. Save the changes. The Map widget also allows your clients to quickly set a route to your company's location. Go to the Team section. Here is your current team members list. Click the pen icon to edit a team member's information. Upload a photo. Then set the name and surname. You can edit the team member's position and introduction note. Save the changes. If you want to add more team members and the list is empty, first go to the Team tab on the sidebar. Click the Add button. Add a photo. Enter the name, surname, and email address. You can add additional info, but it is optional. Save and return to Website Customization and the Team section settings. The team member we've just added is now available on the list. Click the team member and edit to add the position and description. Save the changes. Let's go to our website to see the results. Clicking on the icon opens a team member's profile with their description. Go to Gallery. Enable the Gallery section. You can use the gallery to showcase your portfolio or share certificates. Click Add Images and select the files you want to upload from your computer. Save changes. Please pay attention to image names because they are visible on your website. Click the pen icon and edit the names. Let's save and check how the gallery looks on our website. Go to the Testimonials section. Enable this section. Click Add New Testimonial. Enter the name of the client and add a photo. Below, enter the testimonial content. Click the Add button to save. Let's add another one. Testimonials are a great way to build new customers' trust and share positive feedback from your existing clients. The interactive component also makes your website more engaging. Let's check how it looks live. You can browse testimonials by clicking the arrow buttons. Go to the FAQ section. Enable the section. Click Add New FAQ and enter the question and the answer. Then click Add to save. Let's add a few more items. The Frequently Asked Questions section not only adds to the credibility of your services, but also is great for improving your search engine ranking. Let's check our interactive FAQ on a live website. The answers are revealed after clicking the arrows. Let's go to Blog. Enable this section. To start writing your first entry, click Add New Blog Post. Enter the blog title and a short description under the thumbnail. Write the blog content and format the text. Add images to illustrate the post. Add a blog post category. Categories are useful for organizing and easily finding posts on similar topics. You can edit the URL address to make it shorter or more precise. Add some keywords to improve your website's search engine positioning. Choose a publish date and time for your blog post. To make your blog post visible only for a specific period, set an expiration date and time. Let's see what it looks like on a live website. Go to More and choose Blog. The post category we've added is visible here. The blog post is published and ready to read. Go to Contact section. Let's scroll the website preview to the contact info. Here you can choose if your phone number and email address are visible to the customers. You can also change your company address. Let's move on to the opening hours. Turn on the switch and add the hours during which your business operates. For each day, you can add time ranges, mark it as open 24 hours, or specify that it is closed. You can add a background to the contact section. Choose a predefined background by filtering by category. You can also upload your file. The file can't be larger than 10 megabytes, and we recommend choosing a photo at least 1,920 pixels wide. A great feature for customer experience is online chat. We recommend leaving it enabled anytime along with the AI assistant feature, because this way your customers can get quick answers any time of the day. Here you can change your chat teaser and the follow-up questions. You can set a teaser action. We'll add a button directing a customer to the booking system. We need to paste a link. We can also set a hint. Teaser timeout is the time after which the chat window opens, once the page is loaded. Options available in the typical response time setting are possible messages displayed in the chat window when the AI assistant is off. Let's save and check how the chat behaves after we refresh the website. The chat window is immediately open. We can see the previously set follow-up questions, a call to action button, and the hint. More AI settings are available in the AI tab on the sidebar. Here you can set your AI assistant behavior or upload knowledge-based documents. And that was the last topic covered in this website customization tutorial. Our website is finished and ready for the next steps in the getting started process. See you in other IKOL tutorials. IKOL, AI for Business.